Is sticky notes refusing to open on your Windows computer? Don't worry. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the most effective fixes, from simple troubleshooting steps to repairing or reinstalling the app so you can get your notes working again. Before trying anything else, restart your computer. A simple reboot can clear temporary glitches that may prevent sticky notes from opening correctly. After your computer starts again, try launching the app one more time. If the problem continues, open the Settings app, go to Apps, then Installed Apps or Apps and Features depending on your Windows version. Find Sticky Notes, open Advanced Options, and select Repair. Windows will try to fix the app without removing your notes. If repairing doesn't help, return to the same Advanced Options page and choose Reset. So keep in mind that resetting the app may remove locally stored settings, so make sure your notes are synced with your Microsoft account whenever possible. Next, open the Microsoft Store and check for updates. Install any available updates for sticky notes in Windows itself, since software updates often include bug fixes and compatibility improvements. If sticky notes still won't open, uninstall the app from Windows Settings, then reinstall it from the Microsoft Store. After signing in with the same Microsoft account, your synced notes should automatically return, and that's how to fix sticky notes when it won't open. In most cases, repairing the app, installing updates, or reinstalling it solves the problem. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and thanks for watching.